Let's take a look from the top on down. Our joystick allows us all the hand movement to manipulate our drone in the sky. Our base unit, which primarily gives us control over our camera assets. We've got a smartphone adapter and our smartphone here. All right, let's take a look at our product. We have our on button with associated LEDs, our launch button, our return to home, our hand grip, which also includes a thumb saddle and adjustable thumb loop, our throttle, which allows us to go up and down, our situational awareness display, as well as a Bluetooth connectivity indicator. On the left side of the controller, we have our video and photo button, our camera scroll wheel, a sensitivity dial that allows us to adjust the responsiveness of the stick, our camera tilt function right here, a programmable auxiliary button, and then finally we have a 1/4-20 that allows us to plop this down onto a tripod if need be. And that's our FT Aviator from top to bottom. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information, please visit us at fluidity.tech.